As the first model of the Yi brand, Dongfeng has given Yi S7 3 pure electric features: pure electric W architecture, smart and comfortable cockpit, and Honda's world's first new energy factory production. Dongfeng said that it stands from the perspective of Chinese users and targets new energy users. The expectation of automobile manufacturing brands is to provide users with a better car experience with new brands, new technologies, new structures and new products. Yi S7 chooses futuristic and aggressive as the main theme of the design. The aggressive front face also creates a clear and sharp visual impact. Personality and energy. In addition, the Yi S7's wheelbase ratio is 61.7%, providing more space inside the car. The futuristic new H-lamp body and 21-inch large sports wheels also reveal the beauty of passion and vitality. Yi S7 has many first-of-its-kind technologies and functions for Dongfeng electric vehicle products. For example, it is equipped with Honda's dual-motor four-wheel drive system to achieve a front-rear weight ratio of 50-50, which officials say is the first time this has been achieved in an electric car. As another example, Dongfeng uses a front double wishbone rear 5-link four-wheel drive suspension to provide the car with a better control experience. Yi S7 also uses Honda's latest ADS adaptive damping system and body control technology to effectively filter bumps, reduce roll, greatly improve slope suppression capabilities, and prevent motion sickness driving experience. In addition, Yi S7 also features FOD personalized driving mode, which can provide users with a richer and more customizable driving experience. In terms of intelligent driving assistance, Yi S7 is equipped with L2 Plus Intelligent Driving Assistance System, Honda Sensing 360 Plus, and also has a remote control parking function to better serve the driver. It uses Honda Connect 4.0 intelligent steering interconnection system and electronic exterior mirrors. Provide driving assistance. In the intelligent cockpit, Yi S7 is equipped with an intelligent light language system to give users a more personal expression, true to Honda's new concept. There is a dimmable panoramic sunshade with heat insulation and sun protection, and multi-level adjustment to adapt to the environment.